and the technique of drawing, which is very slow procedure and kind of old-fashioned. This is kind of you as well. Why is it?
I'm an old-fashioned artist. No, I mean, I still like day and night. Every night almost I make drawings and writings. For me, writing and drawing is the most important base of all my work. And I think drawing is a very beautiful medium because you cannot hide anything. In painting, you can hide a lot. In drawing, every line is visible. And now I don't teach anymore, but when I was teaching in New York, Amsterdam, Düsseldorf, I always try to bring back in the classical drawing. Because a lot of young students, when they're in the academy, they cannot make a drawing anymore. And they forget that drawing is essentially learn to look and learn to think. And I like also, now in a lot of my work, time is essential. You see on the small drawings also, you recognize almost every line on paper. I like the idea of time, to take time to create. That in the drawing is a kind of partiture of time inside also. And I like the tradition. I believe that really avant-garde is always rooted in tradition. And there is nothing wrong to be an artist who knows the craft. A lot of young artists today that don't know the craft anymore. For me, knowing the craft, it's very important also. I was educated, I can still prepare a canvas, I can prepare pigments, I can prepare paper. I really know the alchemistic craft. So I think for me it's important. Because there's a lot of knowledge inside and wisdom and truth.
And it's taking time. This is parallel also in videos. That's why they are 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours long. Or
no,
there is
the performances also long. The videos are also long. The films. But yes, time is an essential factor to go through something. I mean, don't forget that I did every performance I did only one time. I never repeated them. I'm not an actor. I direct actors, I direct dancers, but I'm not an actor. So I did every performance one time. And for me, to do a performance, it's about going through the real physical and mental experiences. Putting myself in situations that I don't have handles to hold myself on. And it's of course, for me it's also the reason I started doing those things again performances, because I teach my company also, my actors and dancers, I teach them also history of art, history of performance art, and it's good for me still to experience it for real and to pass this knowledge on to my actors and dancers. But of course, being in an armure for 5-6 hours, it's something else than being inside for 10 hours. That usually weigh 15 kilograms. So to go through it physically, mentally, to have this burden on your body, how you react to it, mentally, physically, that's all important, I think.